So the motorcycle, fix it.
Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more dirt bike stuff.
Check to make sure my throttle position sensor is working on my carburetor. That bad boy right there has this little dill. It has that roller on it, and when you put the bike together, or you put the carburetor back together, you slide the slide down in there, and then that roller right there sits on top of the slide and it moves up and down. When you twist the throttle wide open, they want you to check it with volts, because it should be like 0.5 to 0.6 volts with the throttle closed, and then like 4 to 4.5 volts with the throttle wide open. But to do that, you have to like take this white piece off, hook a 12 volt battery to one of these, do this, do that, all kinds of nonsense. So I figured you could just check it with resistance with ohms. And with ohms, if you have a high number, that means there's a lot of resistance, so it'll only let a little bit of volts through. And if it has a low number, that means there's hardly any resistance, and it'll let a high number through. So I'm not really sure how you could quantify it, but take your voltmeter, switch it over to ohms right there, that symbol. Take your wires, go with red to this one, or black to that one, I should say. Let's see here, see if we can get it set up to where you could actually see it, see what it's doing. There we go, now it's doing something. So it has 4.19, which means it'll only let a little bit of power through, or volts through, I guess you could say, because there's a bunch of resistance. Need another hand, honestly. 4.22. And then as we start opening the throttle, that resistance number goes down, so it'll start letting more voltage through, and it goes all the way to that. That's like almost wide open throttle. Shut the throttle back to 4.22, 4.21. Start opening the throttle. That number starts going down, down, down. That's wide open throttle. Oh, come on. 4.22. Start opening the throttle. That's wide open throttle. That's 0.74, so that's a small number. Throttle closed. Back to 4.20. Should be good to go. If I knew how to quantify it, would be good. I googled it, but there's like way too much math involved with that, because you got to know how many amps goes through the circuit, and then you got to take it, divide it, and do this. I think they call it Ohm's law or something like that, to be able to quantify your ohms, to be able to know how much volts are coming through it. So we'll just run with it and call it good. Might as well see if the pile still runs. leaking water anywhere. No radiator fluid going anywhere, so that's a good sign. Started second kick, so that's a good sign too. Pretty sure need to check this, make sure it's full, since all the water had to flow all through the cylinder and head again. And took the head off and make sure water's everywhere. But everything feels real. Radiators feel the same. Cylinder head's hot. Cylinder's hot, that's good. It sounds a lot snappier because I had that piece unhooked because I thought it wasn't working. It sounds so much snappier. It sounds like it just revs out way better with the throttle position sensor working correctly and the stock lead cage versus the V3 or whatever it is. No leaks anywhere. That's good. Should be good to go. Take it out and rip it.
I'll put you out of your misery.
Say wham.